Hey everyone, it's Crafty Crochet Lady here, and I am here to show you how to do another stitch. Today we will be doing the linen stitch, or sometimes it's also called the moss stitch. And it's a pretty simple stitch. It's good to use in items that you want to have the same on either side, the same look on either side, or just items that you want the yarn to show more detail in. So here we go. I started with a chain of 14, and now what we're going to do is just do a single crochet. I'm going to start in 2 chains from the hook. So 1, 2, just put a single crochet in that one, and then we're going to chain 1 and skip this next chain here and go in to the chain after that one. So we will just be chaining 1, skipping a chain here, and going into the next stitch with a single crochet, and we will be doing that along the whole row. And like I said, this is the linen stitch. It's also known as the moss stitch for some reason, and it is a really nice simple stitch to use. And we will just be continuing along here. So single crochet, chain 1, skip stitch. That is the pattern here. All right, I'm at the end of my row. So what we're going to do is chain 1 and turn. And now we are going to put a single crochet into the chain stitches and chain 1. And we're always going to be putting our single crochet in the spot that we made in the previous row with the chain stitch. So we will just be doing that, single crochet and chain 1, and then single in the chain stitch from the previous row, and we will just continue to do that. And on this last stitch here, we want to just treat that as if it was a chain there. So we'll just go into that space there, chain 1 and turn. And now I will make a couple more stitches or a couple more rows, and then I will meet you back here to show you how it's looking so far. Okay, so I am back here, and I'll show you, I've done a few more rows of the linen stitch, and you can see how there's starting to be a pattern here. We have the chains and the stitches here, so it's kind of looking a bit more like a woven pattern or a weaving there. And that is how you do the linen or moss stitch. If you like what you see, please like, share, and subscribe. Oh, there goes my cat's tail. And I will see you next time.